Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to remove SIM lock from ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra. Firstly, go into the settings. Now go into security, SIM card, more security settings, and then SIM card lock. My bad. Here. Okay, now this switch is going to be blue. I just don't have a little SIM card lock enabled, but to disable it you just have to tap on the switch, type in your SIM pin, and then tap on OK. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.